Hello friends, this is Mike from Tribe Finder, and welcome to the course entitled YouTube Benchmarks You Should Meet. This is also a section of the masterclass entitled Create a Successful YouTube Channel. This course is dedicated to informing you and guiding you through some of the benchmarks that can be met on your YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be confusing or complicated. In fact, it can be very simple, and that's exactly what we are going to learn in this course. Some of this info can do magic for your channel, so I'm excited to share it with you today. With any course I do that involves a platform like YouTube, I like to give you sections like YouTube Philosophy. And these basically are business philosophy sections, or why you want to use a particular platform as an entrepreneur. So in the first section, we're talking about why you want to use YouTube for your business. Next, we're going through some of the benchmarks you can meet to get the most for your business from your YouTube channel. And finally, we are going to be talking about what I call the road to monetization, which is actually another benchmark, but in a lot of opinions, monetizing your channel is one of the most challenging things that you can pursue on YouTube. Now, for the YouTube philosophy section, we're going to be talking about why you want to use YouTube as an entrepreneur. First, as an entrepreneur, you want to use YouTube because it is the second biggest search engine after Google. Yes, it's bigger and more used than Bing, than Yahoo, you name it. In fact, Google owns YouTube, so Google wants you to use YouTube and will, in essence, reward you for doing so. Also, if you optimize or tag your videos correctly, they will easily show up in actual Google searches as well as YouTube searches. This can be huge for getting awareness for you and your business. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Gary Vaynerchuk. If you're not, check him out. He's a brilliant online marketer and entrepreneur. He was quoted as saying, "If your company is not putting out content, then it doesn't exist." And doesn't this seem to be the case these days? It seems like every major brand out there also has shows or toy lines or products associated with them. Have you noticed that most big brands have YouTube channels? Yes, right? There's a reason for that. YouTube is a platform where you can publish your own videos, your own content, and it's free. Plus, down the road, you might even be able to profit from it. YouTube might literally send you a check in the mail for the content that you put on YouTube. So there's really no downside here to using YouTube, and it's free, right? So why not? So what is our end game when it comes to YouTube? What is the ultimate goal? Before we answer that, let's look at what we've done up to this point in our other YouTube-related courses. Whether you're watching this as part of the masterclass or as a standalone course, we started by setting up our channel the right way. We made our first big tweaks to set up our channel for success. We worked on making the channel look nice. We taught you how to upload videos in the most efficient way possible. We then learned how to customize our channel and make playlists, add cards, and craft end screens to boost engagement on our videos. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you in this course today that we have completed the basics of YouTube. And we are ready to move on to the next chapter or skill level of the YouTube experience, okay? So we're going to be taking it up a notch. And before we move on, we need to define what it is we want to accomplish with these courses and your channels. The next logical step at this point is to build engagement on your channel. For example, we will now be focusing on getting more subscribers, more views on your videos, and maximizing every opportunity to grow our channels in the most efficient ways possible. So all that being said, this course is focused on what we will be doing with the future of our channels that we have created up to this point. We will be going over some milestones you can meet. I like to call them benchmarks that we can reach on YouTube. Some are going to be easy to meet, and some are going to be rather challenging. And who knows, you may have already met some of them and not even know yet. Regardless, all of them have a definite benefit to your channel and to your business or entrepreneurial success.